Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss to you about trigonometric identities pertaining for half-angle formula. Please take note of this formula. Sine A over 2 equals positive negative square root of 1 minus cos A all over 2. For tangent A over 2, we have sine A all over 1 plus cos A. And for cos A over 2, we have positive negative square root of 1 plus cos A over 2. So, in order for you to easily familiarize yourself with the formula, for sine and cosine, they have the same formula, but they only have different operation for 1 minus cos A and 1 plus cos A. Let's try an example. For instance, we have sine 112.5 degrees. So we can get the exact value of this one. But with the help of half angle formula, we can get the exact value of sine 112.5. How? We're going to use sine 225 divided by 2. Why? Because 225 divided by 2 is equal to 112.5. So it is equal to, let's write the formula, positive negative square root of 1 minus cos A all over 2. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to have or substitute the value of A, which is equal to 225. So we have positive negative 1 minus cos 225 degrees all over 2. Now, let's simplify or get the exact value. Cos 225 degrees, the reference angle is 45 degrees. And cos 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. But since it is cosine, the only positive on quadrant 3 is tangent and cotangent. Therefore, cos 225 is equal to negative square root of 2 over 2. So therefore, we're going to have 1 minus negative square root of 2 over 2 all over 2. Now, to simplify this one, we're going to get 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. So we're going to simplify this one. Why it becomes plus? Because negative times negative is positive. And this is equal to 2 LCD. So we have 2 divided by 1 times 1 is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times square root of 2. We have square root of 2. Since we have all over 2, we're going to get the reciprocal of this and multiply to the numerators. It will be 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 times 1 half, which is equal to 2 plus square root of 2 all over 4. So the simplified form of this one, 1 minus quantity negative square root of 2 over 2, all over 2 is 2 plus square root of 2 all over 4. So let's write this. Then we can now have positive negative 2 plus square root of 2 all over square root of 4. Value of square root of 4 is 2. So therefore, the simplified form is positive negative 2 plus square root of 2 all over 2. And this is your final answer. Okay? Let's try another example. If cos theta is equal to 4 over 5 and theta is greater than 270 degrees but less than 360 degrees, find sine theta over 2. So let's write sine theta over 2 is equal to, let's write the formula 1 minus cos A or cos theta over 2. So now let's have this one. Since we don't have, or we have the value of cos theta, it's just simply substituting the given value. So we have 1 minus, instead of writing cos theta, we have the value for cos theta, which is equal to 4 over 5. So we have 4 over 5 all over 2. Now let's simplify 1 minus 4 over 5 all over 2. So 1 minus 4 over 5 is equal to, so if we're going to get the LCD is 5. So 5 divided by 1 times 1 is 5. 5 divided by 5 times 4 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1/5. Since we have divided by 2, we're going to get the reciprocal of 2 and multiply to the numerator. So it will be 1/5 times 1/2 is equal to 1 over 10. So let's try. So the simplified form for 1 minus 4 over 5, all over 2 is 1 over 10. So let's write positive, negative, 1 over 10. Since there is radical sign on the denominator, let's rationalize this one. So let's multiply 10 on both numerator and denominator. So it will be square root, positive, negative, square root of 10 all over 10. And this will be your final answer for sine theta over 2. Let's try another example. If sine theta is equal to negative 12 over 13 and theta is greater than 180 but less than 270, find cos theta over 2. Again, let's write cos theta over 2 and its formula. So we have 1 plus cos A or cos theta all over 2. But since our given is sine, we need to get the value of cos theta. Again, the value of sine theta is equal to negative 12 over 13. So thus it implies that the value of y is equal to 12 and the value of r is equal to 13. So we're going to get the value of x. To find the value of x, we're going to have r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So by substitution property, it will be 13 squared equals to x squared plus 12 squared. Simplifying this one, it will be 169 equals x squared plus 144. So we're going to transpose 144 to the other side. It will be 169 minus 144 equals x squared. 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So getting the square root of both sides, we can get x is equal to 5. So therefore, since cos theta is equal to x over r, by substitution property, x is equal to 5 and r is equal to 30. But since our theta falls in quadrant 3, why is it in quadrant 3? Because theta is greater than 180 but less than 270. Since in quadrant 3, the only positive is tangent and cotangent, therefore, the sign for cosine is negative. So let's now substitute the value of cos theta on our given formula. So we have positive negative 1 minus 5 over 13 all over 2. Why is it minus? Because we have plus and the sign of cosine is negative. So therefore, it will be minus. So let's simplify 1 minus 5 over 13 all over 2. So 1 minus 5 over 13 is equal to, we have LCD 13. So 13 divided by 1 is equal to 13 times 1 is 13. So we're going to have 13 minus 13 divided by 13 is 1 times 5 is 5. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. So we have 8 over 13. Since there is divided by 2, we need to get the reciprocal of 2 and multiply to the numerator. So we have 8 over 13 times 1 half, which is equal to 8 over 26. So now we're going to write, or the simplified form of 1 minus 5 over 13 is 8 over, all over 2 is 8 over 26. But since there is a radical sign in the denominator, we're going to multiply 26 on the numerator and the denominator. So it will be equal to, which is equal to positive negative square root of 208 all over 26. So that is our final answer for number 2. So that's all. Thank you and happy math learning. Again, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you're going to be updated with our math video tutorials. Thank you.